my hair is a disaster. Okay, it is 6 a.m. I'm tired, but I also realized last night I never wrote the conclusion for my business paper. Go me. So yeah, coffee, and then conclusion. And then my friend asked me if I wanted to go to the lab with her today because it's now her turn to edit photos. And I figured, why not go with her? And maybe I can actually get something done in the lab. So, I'm not sure if I'm going with her yet. I'm gonna text her after coffee to let her know. But yeah, that is somewhat the plan. Also, my coffee is over there, but the milk and the mugs and the water and the dishes and blah 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 are over here. And that is annoying. And I feel like whoever lives under me, if they can even hear me, think I like literally get out of bed and just spend the entire morning pacing. So something I really want to do, I don't know if I'm gonna do it now or like today or whatever. I'm moving that freaking coffee maker into this kitchen. I'm thinking right here, right there, because I have no counter space to put my coffee maker on the counter if I still want to use the counter to cook. But then I already tried turning the table and the table's freaking huge and it doesn't work going this way. And I can't have the coffee maker just sitting on the table without it being like near a plug and blah blah blah. And so yeah, I want to move my coffee maker somewhere closer. And now I need water and Advil. Okay, so it's 11. I gave up trying to focus and left my phone and everything here and then went down to the study room in the building because I spent like 3 hours trying to get my work done, and then I finally went down to the study room and I got literally everything done in like an hour. I could have been done and sitting on my ass watching TV by like 7 a.m. had I just gone down to the study room. So I am done my business thing for now. I'm still waiting for feedback of if I'm like missing anything or whatever. Like I need another set of eyes. Me and my friend finally decided we're gonna go for 12 down to the studio, which means I have just enough time to do like a quick little vacuum and clean up of my place because it's kind of disgusting. I have hair literally all over the floor. And then I think the plan is I'm going to take my sketchbook and my oil pastels with me to the lab, and I can go back and forth between working on my English and figuring out what the heck I'm doing for my art. And I think being in this like computer lab with all the computers and stuff will help me focus a lot. I do know that I really want to decorate this wall. It's so plain and like just empty. So is that one, but that one doesn't really matter that much. This one is super plain and empty, and I always sit there and like film, and it's just like weird having nothing there. So I really want to decorate this wall. I just don't know what I want to do specifically, but I think I have an idea. So as I had photography, and we did a lot of printing of our photos. So I have an entire pile of prints and these are just my practice prints. These aren't even the ones that I handed in. So I literally just have this pile of prints and nothing to do like with any of them. So I'm thinking maybe I will just sticky tack them on the wall and just have like a collage of random ass photos. Like seriously, the majority of these are just pictures of garbage. And the majority of them are also copies of each other because I had to keep printing the practice to get them to come out correctly. So I think I'm gonna do that right now and just waste some time and see what happens. what I've been doing for the last like 2 hours. Not really. I've actually been reading on my book, but you know what? Close enough. I've been sitting here for the last like 2 hours. Anyways, I'm gonna end this here because I've done nothing at all, like all day with you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna end this here. I'm sitting here doing this, and I will probably show you guys me actually getting home, because apparently it's supposed to be a freezing rain, like snowstorm, starting in an hour, and I'm potentially gonna have to walk in that. So yeah. Also, I had a burger from Boston Pizza, and it has a weird aftertaste. Like, really weird. Anyways, that is it. That is possibly my final painting, but we'll find out about that in tomorrow's. Yeah, I don't know. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh shit! Oh my god! It's supposed to snow like this until tomorrow morning. Oh my god! Oh my god.
I can't see.
I can't either.
We're gonna need different ski goggles.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the blurriness. I don't even know what that is. I don't know. Okay, anyways, that's it. I'm home. It's snowing. It's cold. I'm freezing. And see you tomorrow.